Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're going to be looking at whether a graph is symmetric about the y-axis. Now, that's some fancy language that just means we can fold the graph in half along the y-axis and get the same on both sides. Now, I'm going to be using the Desmos graphing calculator, which I have linked below for you to just take a look at the graphs pretty easily. And then I can tell if I can fold them in half and get the same image on both sides. So let's go to Desmos. All right, friends, let's put that first graph into our calculator. We need to do the absolute value of x. And the way you do that is just to type ABS, parentheses, x, close the parentheses, minus 2. So you'll notice that you get this V shape and the graph, we can fold this in half along the y-axis and we'll get a mirror image on both sides. Let's take a look then at the second graph. All right, I've got negative 2x to the second plus 5. And that's my blue graph. By the way, if you want to turn the graphs off, you can just click that circle to the left and it won't graph it anymore. But notice on this one, I do get a mirror image. I can fold it along the y-axis. And so this, I would say yes, also is symmetric to the y-axis. The third graph, we have 3 over x. And again, let me turn that blue one off. Notice on this graph, I don't get mirror images on both sides of the y-axis. I get almost like a spin, right? And so this one I would have to say is not symmetric to the x-axis. All right, one more graph to look at. All right, for our fourth graph, we'll say x, we need 2 square root of x. So I'm going to put 2 SQRT for the square root of x, and then plus 5. And I'm going to turn that green one off. And let me drag down this graph here. And you see, it's a nice graph, but I don't get the mirror image on the other side. So I can't say that it is symmetric to the y-axis. So let's go back. All right, so you'll remember we said, yes, these first two were symmetric to the y-axis, but these last two were not. All right, so I hope you like using Desmos. It's a really nice free tool to use for our math classes. So be sure and bookmark it. All right, friends, bye for now.